Bing, and more, all the major search engines. And you have the potential to push these deals out to over 10,000 travel websites. So let's go over each of these in detail. The first one is that it publishes deals to your main website immediately. Now, the benefit for this is for most businesses to get any information put on their main website. They're either paying an internet company or an advertising agency to monitor and update their site. Both of these can be very costly and very slow. So if you talk to anyone that has a business that when they are marketing and they are managing a website, they're usually paying someone to do it. And if they are paying someone to do it, these people are not responding right away. I have a friend who has a jewelry business, and she pays someone a few $1,000s a month to monitor their site and update it with new pictures of the jewelry she's offering, and she can't get her to make, the woman that she's working with, to make a change on her website for 5 to 7 days. And that's what most people are encountering. Now, it takes less than 5 minutes to enter a deal. So the To-Go Media Marketing Platform, you can enter a deal, and it can be updated and posted in less than 5 minutes. This is one of the biggest benefits that you will find with the platform. The second feature and benefit is that it pushes deals out to all the social networks that your customer may be using. Social media marketing, if you're not familiar with it, it is a very powerful strategy, extremely effective way getting your deals out to the masses quickly. In addition to sending traffic directly to your customer sites or to your customers' establishments, these links from the social media success can dramatically improve search engine ranking. Our platform allows a business to manage multiple social media campaigns in one place. So if they do have a .com, and they also have Facebook, and they have Twitter, and MySpace page, and there are about 50 different social media sites that we're working with now that they can post to, they can enter a deal, and it can be pushed out all those places in a touch of one button. And that's very powerful. For those of your customers that are already doing this, they will see the efficiency in this. On the bottom here, I just put a couple of quick facts that it would take, if your customers put an ad on the radio or an ad on the television, it would take 35 years on radio and 13 years on television for them to reach 50 million users, and Facebook has added 100 million users in the last 9 months. So the power of getting out to the masses is there. This is an example of a Facebook page. So here's the Midtown Athletic Club in a town in Florida. They market out to everyone in the town and the surrounding areas, and they're members of the gym. Everyone that follows them on Facebook would get a notification when they post something. So here where the red arrow is pointing, it says 1 week until the barbecue, and there's a little bit of information here that they wanted to get out to their members. They also wanted to know if anyone wanted to bring any guests, that there's no guest passes. Down below you'll see it says join us for a free screening of the movie. So this is the way that they communicate with their customers. They can enter that information. It can be pushed to not just Facebook, it can be pushed to Twitter, all the different social media networks, and it would also be pushed to their .com page. The next feature is the text messaging feature. The way that this works is it text messages directly to current and potential customers. Text media marketing is highly effective and typically more effective than traditional advertising. The response rates from text messaging ranges 10 to 15 times higher than typical email marketing. I think all of you probably know that we all text more than we talk on our cell phones. Americans send 3.5 billion texts per day. 96% of all texts are read. Most of them are opened within 4 minutes. And only 20% of all emails ever read, and it takes about 48 hours on average to read those emails. This is an opt-in texting, so this is great for customer acquisition, getting in new customers, customer loyalty, direct marketing, and branding. This is an example of a customer that's currently using this. So the text Fusion 302 to 41513. Fusion is the word that they've come up with. Your customers, once they purchase the platform, will come up with their text word or text code. So they chose Fusion 302. The 41513 is called a short code. All of your customers will receive a short code as well. They can then advertise their words. So let's say the restaurant I went to Saturday night, they use the word pizza. It's an Italian restaurant. So they text the word pizza to 41513. The customer would immediately receive a text message back with the daily or weekly or monthly deals, or whatever it is that the owner of the business or whoever's managing this marketing information wants the customers to receive. The establishment then can text the customer that has opted in up to 4 times each month any information that they'd like to get out to them. Anytime that someone has opted into the text messaging list, they can text the word stop to that short code, and they will be out of the list. The next feature is that all the deals are crawled and indexed by all the major search engines. All the major search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, they crawl thousands of .travel websites that we currently manage to pull current and fresh content. That's what Google is looking for right now. It used to be different, that the businesses that paid for search engine optimization would be ranked the best. Now, if most of you look up in Google, you'll see there's a box for sponsored links, and those are paid for. The rest of them really are pulled from current and fresh content. So you can encourage your customers to enter fresh and current deal content. Talk about what they can offer. Talk about 2-for-1 restaurant deals. Talk about discounts on gym memberships. Change it up. Enter 1 or 2 deals a day. Enter 5 deals a week. The more current and fresh the content, the better they have a chance to rank. Now, we do not promise any of our customers that they will be ranked better on any of the major search engines. That's not the purpose of this platform. But we have found that some of our customers are ranking in the 3rd or 4th spot on the first page of Google after utilizing the media platform. So I do encourage you to push your customers to enter deals as often as they can. The last feature here is that it potentially pushes deals out to over 10,000 travel websites. These deals and offers are immediately pushed out to over 10,000 travel websites, potentially, specifically targeting geographic areas and areas of interest. Your customers will be pushed out to their city and all the cities in the county that their business is in or that they choose. They can also include other states, other counties. So the potential is there. The cost of the To-Go Media Marketing Platform is only $795 per year. Why is it such a great value? If you compare this to other marketing methods like cable television, radio campaigns, a newspaper ad, even just a half a page, or doing 2,000 direct mail pieces. For those of you that have done marketing before, you know the response rates on direct mail, on newspaper ads, are very difficult to see. Cable and radio as well. So I think if you look here and you look at the cost here, you will see that the value is there, and we're hearing it from the field. We're hearing it from our sales reps. We're hearing it from our customers. We've had customers say it's only $795 per year, not per month. So I think that you will not have a